passes before you even get on the lift. You like that?
Whoa,
little
yes.
twisted action there.
Get
So
you
now
ready.
we're making our 100 feet up into the air, and then we're going to take the most thrilling 75-degree drop that you have ever experienced.
Oh my gosh.
And then we will start doing some of those head over heels bank turns. You're going to have 3 of those throughout the ride. You'll have 10 moments of air time, and you're going to be at one point you will be perpendicular and still getting some great air time. And what I love, hold on.
Okay.
I love this moment right
that.
here. Wait for
Hold
it.
that thought.
Wait for it.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Look down.
Oh my gosh.
Get excited.
Oh my
Whoa! And we're off. Here's your first head over heel turn. And then we go immediately into our second one.
Oh my God.
Is that not sick? You feel that air time? We're perpendicular, still getting some good air time. Oh, put your hand up. Yeah, baby. Whoa!
There we go. Oh yeah.
There's that classic with coaster feel.
Whoa.
That's your third head over heel over big turn. Some nice hops there. Woo! And one more just for good measure. What did you think?
Amazing. Oh
Isn't
my
that
gosh.
sick?
Non-stop.
Yeah. So what I love is that Six Flags continues to just redo the board with it when it comes to innovation. We always say that we are with the DNA. The DNA is innovation.
Yeah. Well, it's all
And
over.
here it is.
The DNA
I think
is
the
all
last ride really got me. This is ride number 4.
Oh, the view, I
It
mean,
is
it's
really twisted right about now.
non-stop. Yeah. Appropriately titled Twisted Cyclone.
It
Six Flags
is.
over Georgia. That was
So
amazing.
ride with it. Come this Friday if you're a season pass holder or you have a membership and you can get a preview. It opens to the general public on Saturday. You're going to want to get one of those passes because you will be wanting to ride this again and again and again.
This is amazing. Thank you so